Hello, this is Rika, an electric workshop learning guide. Today's lesson is to learn the half adder and full adder configuration through the relay configuration of the previous video through PLC in the electrical sequence. You need to understand the PLC I/O on the right side of the screen. You can check the half adder operation and the full adder operation by dividing the PLC ladder configuration through the SS select switch on the input side. The PLC ladder configuration simply implemented the electrical sequence through the relay earlier. The GL lamp stands for sum, and the RL lamp stands for carry. Please note that the ladder configuration may vary depending on the author. Let's look at each PLC wiring configuration part and PLC ladder part. We will also check the behavior of the given ladder results emulator and look at the results in our simulation.
Input on. Wiring breaker. Press the button, PBA. Release the button, PBA. Press the button, PBB. Release the button, PBB. Press the button, PBA. Press the button, PBB. Release the button, PBB. Release the button, PBA. Press the button, PBB. Press the button, PBA. Release the button, PBA. Release the button, PBB. Input off. Wiring breaker. Input on. Wiring breaker. Input on. SS. Press the button, PBC. Release the button, PBC. Press the button, PBB. Press the button, PBC. Release the button, PBC. Release the button, PBB. Press the button, PBA. Press the button, PBC. Release the button, PBC. Press the button, PBB. Press the button, PBC. Release the button, PBC. Release the button, PBB. Release the button, PBA. Input off. SS. Input off. Wiring breaker.
Thank you for watching. Check out the subscription and the like button. We will make more and more learning videos. Any other questions would be appreciated if you leave them in the comments below the video. We wish you a nice day.